In this video, we are going to learn how to use filter feature in Excel. For that, here I have a sample dataset of employee details. From this, our requirement is to filter out employee details who are working on IT department. For that, first I have to select our entire dataset. For that, I just click Control Shift down arrow, Control Shift like that. It will select our entire data rights, and then come to this editing options, sort and filter. There we can see filter, or come to this data tab. There also we can see filter option. When we click on this filter, we can see a little arrow is appeared with our column header. Here our requirement is to filter out employees who are working on IT department. For that, we just click on this arrow. There we can see entire distinct department available in our dataset. So for filter out employees who are working on IT department, first we need to uncheck this select all and select whatever a department is needed. Here I need only IT department, so just click on IT and apply. That's it. Now we able to see employees who are working on IT department. Same like we can select other department also. We can select multiple department also. To clear all this filter, just click on this clear filter from department.